Hello my friend. In this video I wanted to show you 5 websites that pay you simply by listening and then typing what you hear. I'm also going to reveal to you which one of those 5 websites is my #1 recommendation for making money. And if you want to start earning right away, the first website is called www.babbletype. So recently I published on my YouTube channel this video, make money by typing $200 to $800 per day, 2 simple methods. And I received lots of messages from people. They said this was very helpful video, it helped them to get started. I showed there 5 websites where you can make money simply by typing, and people have also smashed up the likes because they have liked this. But in this video I'm going to show you not websites where you will only write, I'm showing you transcription websites. But let's get started with the first one right away, babbletype.com. By the way, I want to mention that all of these websites, they work with a more or less similar idea. So they are connecting small business owners or even big businesses with freelance transcriptionists. So simply what you will need to do is you will need to listen to something, for example interview or video or some audio file, and then you simply type what you hear. That is called transcriptioning. Okay, I take away my headphones so you can focus on me better. Okay, so you simply listen to what you hear, you type it, and you will earn money for doing that. And here's the first one, babbletype.com, and you can read more about on their website. The second one is called transcribe.com. By the way, all of these websites, they have operated for years, so these are reliable websites. They are not scams or something like that. They are legitimate and reliable websites. I have handpicked some of the good ones here. Transcribe.com, transcription simplified. They say that our US team-based specialists transcribe all verbal communications, including meetings, lectures, videos, interviews, conference calls, and more. So you can see here that they are basically advertising their service for clients, because clients bring the money for this website. So it works like this. The client, so the small business owner for example, he pays for transcribe.com, and then transcribe.com takes a small slice for that money. Let's say for example 20 cents out of $1, and then the freelancer, the transcriptionist, gets 80 cents out of that $1. Just an example, these ratios, they differentiate a little bit on different sites, and if you want to earn the highest money, I recommend that you compare which one is the best ratio for freelancer. Also, of course, you can use this as a client, you can buy transcriptionist on these websites. But as you can see, this is for example only for people who are living in the US. So if you are in the Philippines or India, or let's say in some other countries in the world out of the United States, then this is not available for you, and we will need to move to the website number 3. So the website number 3 is called GMR Transcription, and this has been around already since 2004, and you can simply verify it by taking a look at their YouTube video here. It has been published already 2015. I have also older videos here, but this is reliable. And as far as I understand, this is also for people who are living in the United States. So you can see if you are living in the United States, you can make money by doing this. It's also important to acknowledge that if you want to use these websites, you need to be accurate. So here they give 99% accuracy guarantee for their clients. In other words, this means for you, if you want to make money by transcribing, that you need to have 99 words out of 100 correct. If you don't have it correct, most likely you will get fired sooner or later. At this point you are probably asking, well, how much money can you earn on these websites? Or if you are out of the US, you may ask, are any of these websites available in the Philippines or other countries? So let me show you. Here is a website called transcribeme.com, and if you want to make money as a transcriptionist, you simply click here, join as transcriptionist. We click here. I'm not affiliated with these companies in any way, by the way. I just show these websites to you in order to help you to make money online, show you different opportunities where you can start earning. That's my mission, to help ordinary people to make a life-changing income online. Okay, so you can see here, become a paid transcriptionist today, transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy. And then they say, join our team. Top rated. You can read more on their website. And the last one is called rev.com, and that's actually the last one where I created my video review on YouTube, the last transcription website. You can see here I ask a question: can you earn easy $1,495 per month on this website or not? So you can take a look at here on their website. And which one out of these 5 is my number 1 recommendation, or number 2? Which ones do I recommend? Well, as I mentioned, all of these are reliable websites. They have been around for years. They pay for their members. If you take a look at, for example, if you type on Google, let's take Glassdoor, transcribe me, for example, you can see that there are 66 reviews from people who have been working for them. Or let's say Glassdoor, you can see there are 62 reviews on Glassdoor. If you don't know what is Glassdoor, it's basically a website where employees or freelancers, they can write reviews about the companies that they are working for. There are reviews of Apple or Microsoft or Facebook or every company, basically every big company in the world, only for big companies. So that already tells you that transcribeme and rev.com, they are quite big companies because they are listed on Glassdoor, and there are more than 60 reviews of those companies. So these two, rev.com and transcribeme, these are my top 2 recommendations out of these 5. And again, I am not affiliated with this company. I don't receive any money from rev.com or transcribeme.com. I only tell these to you to genuinely provide you good resources where you can make money online. GMR Transcription, transcribe.com, babbletype, these should also be reliable sites where you can earn. But if I would, for example, buy transcriptions from these sites, I would choose either transcribeme or rev.com. There are also some benefits with transcribing because you can do it anywhere in the world. So you can basically move to a country where the cost of living is low, and then you can earn money by doing this. Also, you can choose your schedule, so they are also flexible in that sense. If you want to earn a long-term income for years or decades to come, or even money that you can retire, transcribing is not, in my opinion, one of those things. Okay, you can earn money for some time to pay for food or rent or things like that, but if you want to, let's say, earn more money, then this is not for you, because as I told you, the earnings are not that high, and I also explain more in my other transcription reviews and videos. The earnings are not very high, but you can earn, of course, some money. Let's say you are a student, you want to earn some money here and there. But if you are in immediate need of money, I recommend this. Sign up for example, transcribeme and rev.com. For these 2 websites, go through their tests. So they usually have this test where they check if you are okay to work for them, if you have skills to work for them. You don't need enough education, you don't need any prior experience, but you need to prove them through the test that you can really do the work. Okay, when you get approved, then you can start earning some money through these websites.